In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with your PDF using Google AI Studio. So as usual, you can come to aistudio.google.com and then log in with your account. You'll be landed over here in chat. So you can come over here, put in your text, but then you have to upload the media over here. So you can go ahead, you can chat directly from Drive or you can upload. So let's say I'm going to upload this. I have this journal that I want to insert. So I can just bring it in. Okay, so it has just imported it, you can see. So you can just go ahead and give it a prompt. Can you give me 3 major takeaways from this journal? All right, so you can say run to this. You'll be amazed at what you're going to see. And fantastically, you can see it is thinking. And take a look at what it has provided based on the academic journal doing fraud risk management. Take a look at the main key output that it has brought out, even references inserted in the paper. Okay, so you can see takeaway 1, takeaway 2, and takeaway 3 with good references, and you can see the sources it has given us. So you can bring in any of your PDF document and you can have direct conversations with it. So let's say, can you explain figure 1 on the paper? Okay, so you can say run to this and let's see whether it is actually going to know that there is a figure 1 in the paper. Of course, here's an explanation of figure 1, and you can see the details. It has explained everything in key details to tell you that it is truly reading the PDF document, and look at the result it has brought out. Very, very powerful and very, very direct and straight to the point. So you can go ahead and copy this. You can copy this content and you can share with your friends. You can regenerate this. You can edit this if you want to edit, or you can just have more options from here, like copy the text, copy the markdown, and so on. Okay, so you can go ahead and chat with your PDF document completely free of charge using Google AI Studio. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.